one step closer. Every time I get a little project done, that's one less thing I have to do. So my Murphy table is back up. Of course, Murphy bed has always been there. But I got that door cut in, so I can access that section right there, which I haven't been able to access. And then overlook the mess. And this door is in. I'm using magnets up here to hold it up, so I've got a tape on it to hold it till the glue dries on the magnets. So that's another thing done. And I got my doors up here, back on. Let's see, got the end done there. I've got 2 coats of water-based polyurethane, 1 coat of oil-base. So I've got to put another coat of oil-base on, and that'll be done. Yay, yay, yay. You still need, it's not real shiny yet, so it needs a little bit more. A little bit more. But it's all getting there. I've got just a few utensils to hang in that utensil closet by the stove, so I'm going to make just a rack holder just to put them in, and I'm just going to be hanging them on these, which fit perfect. I don't drop it, like so. Alright, now the object here, just for neatness, is to make sure they're the same height. Well, how do you do that without taking a tape measure out and measuring it? Well, you make a mark on here. You hold that down and you screw it down until it's perfectly lined up, and you're good to go. Just a quick tip. Here's my utensils. I built a small panel down there to separate. I'm going to put some anti-skid in the bottom. And for now, unfortunately there's not enough room for my knives in there. So I'm going to go ahead and mount the knives on here using a magnetic strip. So when this comes up, it's stuck by 4 magnets across. These are little, but they're tough. So plans change. It's no biggie. I'll just get my spices up in here, or I might try and find an under cabinet spice rack to go maybe right here in the middle, and we'll go from there. Getting more done. I've been working quite a bit in the last few weeks. Getting ready to go on the trip. This is Thursday. I'll be leaving Monday, which is November 2nd. I'm getting my bike winterized because I'm not taking it with me. Getting little decorations set up inside. Got some wiper blades to put on before I leave. And one of the previous videos I was working on my utensil cabinet, so thought I'd give you an update and show you how it is. So now you can see I've got the magnet set up. It's a really strong magnet, and I've got some vinegar and some water for cleaning. My utensils up there. I'm still using the magnets, but Since I put the knives on this door, it's gotten really heavy. So what I'm doing now, along with the magnets, I've got a little angle bracket and a little peg to make sure that it doesn't come down by accident. Getting my outdoor rug in. I've got to get a cover for my electrical yet. I've got my generators ready to go. All my doors are on and ready to go. All my materials are loaded. My t-shirt machine is here. My vinyl cutter is here. My drone, unique Q500 that I've never flown, which I'm hoping to fly this year. Didn't get a chance to fly last year. I've got my rotary paper cutter for cutting business cards and other things. I have my laminator, which is inside behind here. I can laminate up to 24 inches wide. If you got something you need laminated, let me know. And I do 8.5 by 11s all the time. I laminate business cards. So whatever you got, whatever you need, let me know. Of course, you saw the video on the new countertop. All my windows in. I did add a pop-up plate up here, out of the way, which opened up some of my cabinet space back here. One of the alarms are up there. Let's see, what else? Anything in particular? No, nothing else new. Still got to do the ceiling yet. And I still got to do the flooring. Got to go rearrange this back here a little bit because I've got to get my regular computer printer in there, which will just barely fit. And then of course my storage back there that I couldn't get to last year. I put that new door on. That's full, of course. Everything rides really well. I went down to the shop to have the front wheel bearings repacked, and everything rides really well. So I'm just about ready. Just got a few things to put in here. I put all my backup hard drives in. I've already done all that, and everything's pretty much good to go. My refrigerator freezer that's behind there, I've just got to get some food. I'll do that Sunday. I've got a lot of stuff in the freezer in the house to take with me. And I've got my canned goods up here, among other things. My pots and pans that I use, which is very little. Tea. I finally got a pot that I can boil some water in for tea. And I think that's about it. I think we're getting close. Getting excited and nervous at the same time, because, you know, first trip out, I want to make sure everything goes okay. Alright, I think that's it. There's my logo. Oh, and I'm gonna actually do another decal on the back of my bus. I'll show you what that is when I get in the house. I decided to add another decal to the back of my bus instead of, you know, doing the entire back with all my information for the sign company. Thought I'd do just a small decal. And since of course the bus is big and heavy and slow, this is what I came up with. I figured that on the back, when somebody's behind me, they have nothing to do but read. So let me know what you think.